These are the elevators at the Crowne Plaza Hotel, Wesleyland International Airport, Wesleyland. We got northern elevators to ride. Let's go down to P. Here on P. 11. Door closes very fast. Here on 11. Let's go back to the SkyTrain. And that's it.